Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix your Corsair keyboard. First, ensure your keyboard's USB cable is securely plugged into your computer. Try a different USB port, perhaps one directly on your motherboard, to rule out port issues. A simple computer restart can often clear up minor software conflicts causing your keyboard to malfunction. If possible, connect your keyboard to another computer to see if it works there, which helps determine if the problem is with the keyboard or your PC. Next, let's look at software. Make sure your Corsair ICUE software is fully updated. Outdated versions can cause connectivity problems. If that doesn't work, head into your device manager, locate your keyboard, and uninstall its drivers. Then, restart your computer to allow Windows to reinstall them automatically. Many Corsair keyboards also have a soft reset function, often involving holding down specific keys for a few seconds, which can clear internal errors. Now, let's physically inspect the hardware. Carefully examine your keyboard's USB cable for any signs of damage, like fraying or severe kinks, which could interrupt the connection. If individual keys are not working, gently remove the keycaps and clean any dust, crumbs, or sticky residue that might be interfering with the switch mechanism. For keyboards with detachable cables, check the connector pins on both the cable and the keyboard for any bends or obstructions. If the issue persists, a hard reset might be necessary. This usually involves a specific key combination unique to your Corsair model, which can restore factory settings. If all else fails and your keyboard is still under warranty, reaching out to Corsair's customer support is your best bet for repair or replacement. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Investing in quality peripherals and accessories can truly enhance your experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.